Moose aren't
No, 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 no.
No, get out of there.
The moose aren't in any other place.
This is our current banister system. Not very earthquake proof. Yeah, the 4 pages. You got a rabbit fur over here.
Huh?
You got a rabbit fur over here.
I'll take that.
I know, it's just randomly over here.
I can be close to edges. Is it?
I thought about setting
Oh
up
my
like
gosh,
a
Mom, get away from the edge.
fillet. No, I'm
You're
fine.
scaring me when you're walking.
Wouldn't die from the fall.
I would be terribly hurt.
I wonder what would happen if you fell.
We'll find out as I trip.
Today we're going to put some pergo down on this part of the floor so we can build some shelves for Liliana. So I'm just kind of laying out the pergo right now. I'm just going to kind of put it out right now to see what it's going to look like. I'm going to put a piece of plywood up on the wall first.
Almost 24.
Yeah, all I'm saying is you're about 24.
Yep. Yeah. I'll check the other side.
So now you got to screw 2 on each side, basically.
Okay. Nice. Okay. I think that's perfectly lined up. Nice. Hold on. I'm stuck. I'm just gonna sit down.
That's cool. Take all the breaks you need.
Can we just go
Yeah,
over there?
yeah.
The extension cord will reach, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, Hannah has the best idea.
Tony from Mitchell's in Alaska came over and was trying to do donuts in our parking lot, but instead he just got stuck.
Oh my gosh! Look, we're down.
You did us a favor of getting down to the driveway.
Yeah.
It'll start melting faster.
Mm-hmm.
Why don't you go over to their channel and leave a comment about how he needs to work on his technique for doing donuts.
Do we cut
You
it?
have to cut it to size.
Yeah, to size. Yeah, that sounds good.
We're only going to get 24, but it's also going to be 32. And I don't think we're going to be able to get 24. Yeah, we should actually. We should be able to get both.
I love it.
I'm now going to remove this crisp.
Right.
Is that a fair assumption?
Yep, I think that's a very fair assumption.
You know what? I'd be good.
Yeah, you would if you only
If I only had
wanted to.
I told her not to.
I don't think my other friends do.
Kinda sure it's kinda square.
I'm gonna check right now.
Okay. Because in the past we may have had a
Been off a little bit.
been off.
Yeah.
Hold on. We're not thinking about this. We can't put this on yet.
Why not?
How are we gonna attach it to this?
What?
How are we gonna attach it to this?
Oh, this is the top.
Oh, okay.
Hopefully none of the kids will try to jump up on this thing.
I'm up to help.
This down.
No, we're just gonna put the blocking in.
What's that?
We'll put the blocking in for it.
Uh-huh.
I got it.
Okay, you have it all
I got it. Yeah.
mapped
You want
out.
Can I do any more tiny more screws?
Yeah.
No. Oh, okay, yeah.
Are you okay working close to the edge?
Yeah. Just not that close. Just not like. Yeah, where?
Tim Allen this.
Oh.
Oh yeah, we're good. Yeah, we're. Okay, that worked. Right? I don't know what body parts I was using, but it worked. Okay, you're good. I almost have one fall on your back.
Oh, I'd be screwed. I'm gonna need you.
Great. Cool.
Dad.
There you go.
Today I'm going to wrap up this last piece here. We needed a 2x4 and it took us going into town to get this last piece. But we got it now, so I'm going to wrap up Liliana's little shelf desk system here so that she can play with it. As you can see, she arranged everything very nicely here. Good. Great. Great.
Where's the next one?
Okay, bottom one.
2?
Yep, 2. Do you want me to start them for you?
Yeah.
Here we have it, the banister slash bookshelf slash
Everything.
desk slash
Everything.
table climbing center. You name it, it's here, and we have safety now. Yay, it looks great. And there's a huge area to play Legos.
And whatever I want to play.
Yes, and whatever you want to play. So here we have the first project started and finished in 2023. How about that? First of many.